Now let's see how you can find the value of this expression. Okay, now it says we have to find the value of cosine of sine inverse 1 by under root 2, right? So first let's deal with this bracket as we do in maths. So let's give this sine inverse 1 by under root 2 equal to y, right? An arbitrary value. So when you take this sine inverse function to the left hand side of the equation, it becomes sine, right? So sine of y is equal to 1 by under root 2. Now, in this case, we already know, as we've discussed before, that the value of y lies between minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, right? So, if we see that the value of sine y is equal to 1 by under root 2, you can use your previous knowledge to find that the value of y will be equal to 45 degrees, right? Because sine of 45 degrees is 1 by under root 2, and 45 degrees in radians is pi by 4. So that's why we have this pi by 4 here. So y is equal to pi by 4. Now, since we already know that y, which is equal to sine inverse of 1 by under root 2, is equal to pi by 4, all you have to do now is replace that in the original expression, right? Replace that over here. So you replace pi by 4 in this expression to get cosine of pi by 4. And that, as we already know before, is 1 by under root 2.